This is my video of my Nerf gun Ultra Trooper C8 18. It's my gun right here. And people want to be like, oh, I'm this, I'm that. Just get them right in the eye. They'll shut the hell out. See my gun right here. A shotgun. Right here. Alright. Right here. What you do is you... Alright, mine is already loaded, so shoot one out. Then pump. I press the button right here. And then you pull it out. Put on a mat. See, this is my gun. Then, like this. Pop somebody. But ain't no bullets in it right now. I just took it out. Reload. Reload. This is my gun. Right, I'm gonna put it back in now. I'll push this back in. Then turn it over. Push this in. Then now push it. That's the end of my video. Doses. It's